Players that were not members of your association the previous season, but were playing with another association outside of BC will require an interbranch transfer or IBT. There are three main types of IBTs: move with parent, move without parent, non-player transfers. Your district association may require you to submit paperwork to them. Please be sure to check with them before starting any transfers. To start any of these IBTs, you will click on Members and then select Request a Member Transfer. You can then input either the player's hockey ID number or the player's name and date of birth. Then select Find Record. This should bring you to the member transfer page, which should list the player you were looking for. If this is correct, click Transfer Member. If this does not bring up the correct person, click Transfer a different member. If you still cannot find the correct person, please email cardingtransfers@bchockey.net with the player's information, and BC Hockey staff will reply with all the necessary information. If this was the correct person, after clicking Transfer Member, this will take you to the Initiate Transfer page. If you still want to proceed, click Create IBT. This will take you to the second Initiate Transfer page where you will need to input some information. In the Transfer Type drop-down, please select the appropriate transfer type. And for the Invoice drop-down, please select No Charge. The rest of the drop-down and tick boxes can be left alone. Once you have updated the two drop-downs, please select Create Transfer. This will take you to the Transfer Approval page. A notice of the transfer will have been sent to the outgoing branch. BC Hockey staff will review the IBT, then the outgoing branch will approve the IBT. If you wish to check on the status of an IBT, you can click Members and select Search Interbranch Transfers. You will put in the player's name and click Search. To check the status, select Open on the right-hand side and scroll down to the process steps. The left-hand column lists the steps that need to happen: review by the incoming branch and approval by the outgoing branch. The second column lists who must complete these steps. The Action, User, and Date columns will update once the actions have been completed. Once the IBT is approved, the player or bench staff must be added to a roster within your MHA teams. Approval of the transfer does not automatically add them to a roster. Happy registration, and comment down below to let us know what other subjects you would like to see a tutorial for.